Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on the Me option in the bottom right corner. Click on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. Here, tap on Account Management option. Click on Phone option. And here you can see Change Password option. Tap on it. Now you'll have to enter your old password and your new password. Then tap on the Done button. And that is how you can change password in Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.